Hi, this is Chris Ballou, the Operations Manager for Aquasyn. I'm here again today to share with you the unique features of Aquasyn's diaphragm valves and how these features will benefit you with reduced maintenance time and expense. During Aquasyn's 25 years of diaphragm valve design and manufacture, we have learned that reliability, reduced maintenance, and extended diaphragm life can make a significant difference in our customers' operating costs. In this video, you will see how quick and easy it is to replace our diaphragms. The only tool required is an Allen wrench, because with our patented torque-tight feet design, the need and hassle of a torque wrench is completely eliminated. Aquasyn's torque-tight feet design holds the diaphragm in a fixed position with controlled compression. This prohibits overcompression of the diaphragm, which extends the life of the diaphragm, in turn saving you money. When reassembling the valve, just make sure there is metal-to-metal contact at each foot, which ensures that the valve is sealed and ready for operation. The torque-tight feet design, in concert with Aquasyn's proprietary diaphragm formulation, eliminates the requirement for retightening due to thermocycling. This is true for both our manual as well as our pneumatic valves. And diaphragms are interchangeable between manual and automatic valves, so there is no need to stock different diaphragms for the same size valve. Also important to note is that Aquasyn pneumatic valves do not require readjustment of actuator switches after a diaphragm change, thereby saving additional maintenance time and expense. As you can see from the clock on the screen, the Aquasyn design allows for fast diaphragm changeouts. If you have any more questions, contact us on our website at www.aquasyn.com or give us a call at 818-350-0423 to hear more about the unique and robust Aquasyn valve. Thanks again for your time.